In this video, I finally got tired of looking at that green fender and I will be spray painting it red. And my brakes are really noisy, I will try to fix that. There is one additional noise. Every other time I press the brake pedal there is a clunk. But I didn't get that one on camera. Subscribe and like this video if you want to see some more mk1 Golf content. And of course comment below. At this point I realized that I didn't have any primer and I wasn't really bothered about using filler, so just spray bomb it. And now the brakes. Basically I just took them apart and cleaned up the sliding surfaces and used a lot of grease so the caliper and the brake pads can move freely. Applied copper grease on the backs of pads. That reduces the brake noise, I guess. And specialized brake grease for the caliper slide pins. Time for the new shiny red fender. Of course it doesn't match at all, but I think It suits the car perfectly, cause the car's nickname is 50 Shades of Red. Now repeat everything on this side, except the fender. This one is already red. Actually, before that I have a question if anybody knows about these slide pin rubbers. Mine were in okay condition and I didn't change them, just cleaned them up and refreshed the grease. But I did order replacements. There were a few options available in the store, ones like these with the nylon insert and a set that didn't come with these inserts included, but clearly they had space for them since the slide pin was very loose in there. And the third set that was all rubber and tight around the slide pin, so no place for the inserts to go. I'm a bit confused about these options. I did buy the ones like fitted here, but was that the best choice? This was my workstation for the day. Okay, now time for the test drive. So, the brake squeak is gone, but the clank came back after a week. So, time to throw some new parts at the problem. That's in the next video.